In the mailbag today, a viewer wrote in with a question about a problem that pops up in almost every home at one time or another.
Dear Michael, what can I do about a toilet that just keeps running? I've tried jiggling the handle, but that doesn't always work. I want to fix this problem once and for all, but I certainly don't want to call a plumber for something that I know I can fix myself. Bill Sherman, New York City.
Well, Mr. Sherman, fixing your toilet can be a fairly simple do-it-yourself job. I do have a couple of ideas on what might be causing your problem. Let's start by taking a look inside your tank. Now remember, water goes from the tank into the bowl, so if your toilet is repeatedly flushing, that means that your flapper is not seating properly. And the flapper is that blue rubber piece that you see right there. Okay, one reason that your flapper may not be seating properly is because it can be old and worn out. But these are very inexpensive and they're easy to replace. Now this type right here will fit any toilet. Okay, for example, see this piece right here? In some toilets this will fit right down over the fill pipe, but in others you'll attach it with these rubber rings to the side of the fill pipe like the one right there. Okay, now a second reason that your flapper may not be seating properly could be that your chain is too tight. If that's the problem, that really is easy to fix. See this clamp right here? This attaches to the lever inside the toilet. So all you need to do is take this off, reattach it to the lever, and then go link by link until you have some slack in the chain. That will make the flapper seat properly. There's one more thing that I just thought of. It could be your handle. The easiest way to check this is go ahead and push your handle down. Now see if it falls in the right place. If it doesn't, that is keeping your flapper up, and obviously your toilet will keep flushing. Now these are 3 ways that you can check your problem, and one of them will solve your problem.